Hi everyone and welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen and welcome back to my garage. This is where I always do my grocery hauls, and today we're doing another Costco haul. This is a late summer, early fall Costco haul. I live in California, so even though it's almost August as I'm recording this, it's now just getting warm. So I'm really just now getting into the full summer mode with summer foods, summer drinks, summer fruits. And so I'm going to share all my favorites. They're all gluten-free and dairy-free, and I would consider them to be, I would say, all real food ingredients. I hope that you find some little treasures for your next Costco shopping haul. So let me just go ahead and jump into what I purchased today. All right, so here is an overview of everything purchased today. The only thing not on this table are a few cleaning items and then some boxed Pellegrino sparkling water. And so let's go ahead, and these are all items for the pantry, items for the kitchen, which will probably last anywhere from a month to some items might last a little bit longer. I usually shop at Costco about once a month, and my shopping haul today was about $400. So, some of the specialty summer items, specifically, I would say, are fresh organic mangoes. These are just traditional orange mangoes. They're pretty hard right now. You get 6 of them in a box, and of course, you have to wait for them to get very soft, and then I will just peel them and have them as a snack. That is the most common way I eat fresh mangoes. You can purchase frozen mango for smoothies, but the fresh is kind of a treat, and I just generally have that for like a dessert or a snack. This was a very much needed item. It's not necessarily summer. This is definitely one of my basics. It is, you can see, organic extra virgin olive oil, and it's just the best price. I actually ran out this past week and I knew I was coming to Costco. So I bought a small bottle just at the regular grocery store, which was probably a tenth of the size and cost half as much. So essentially, you're getting, just a great deal with this giant bottle. And if you don't like plastic, they also sell it in glass bottles, but a slightly smaller quantity. And I use organic extra virgin olive oil specifically for making homemade salad dressings. Next, a few more just basic items that I always get. You've probably seen in my Costco hauls before: organic bananas, organic frozen cherries, which are specifically for my breakfast smoothies. I also got 2 of these pomegranate juices, and I've noticed that Costco has started selling pomegranate juice, but I believe it is, I'm not sure. There's something slightly different about it. I can't remember, but I prefer the Palm Wonderful brand. I'll look at the Costco brand again, but there was something that was different about it and made me not like it as much as the Palm Wonderful. I got some more coconut water, which is a great item to have in the summertime because it's almost like a natural electrolyte drink. And this one, which is pink, it's so pretty. They have new packaging now, it's in a cardboard box. It has a nice flavor. It doesn't have that kind of, I'm not sure how to explain it, like almost like an astringent flavor that some coconut waters can have. This one tastes really good. I put it in my morning smoothie. Let me see. Oh, I did get some more pumpkin seeds. This is another ingredient that I put in my smoothies, believe it or not, because when you mix it up in a Vitamix, it actually, the seeds turn creamy and they make a nice base mixed with water. So because I am dairy free, you want like a creamy base to your smoothie. So nuts and seeds are a great way to do that. And hemp seeds, I got another bag of these. I used for the same purpose. And it's also a good idea to vary your nuts and seeds that you consume. So, like today, I got pumpkin seeds and hemp seeds. I've also used sunflower seeds in my smoothies. Let's see, I got some more honey. I live in California, and I'm not sure if they do this in other parts of the country, but this is a local honey, which makes it good for allergies. And so I got two of these. These will sometimes go in a smoothie, or my husband really likes a dessert of peanut butter and honey together, maybe with some banana. Really basic, simple dessert. Oh, I don't want to miss this coffee. Um, Actually, I drink decaf, but he drinks regular. This looks like it's a light roast, organic. We just got these because they were featured, and we go through quite a bit of coffee beans. These are whole beans. We have a grinder at home, which makes it very fresh, and I think probably has a nicer flavor than pre-ground, but that's just our thought. This is something that I have. This is my third bag I've purchased. Organic sweet potato fries. These are excellent in the air fryer. They actually have air frying instructions on the back. It's very simple. I made these for my nephew when he was visiting recently, and he immediately asked his mom for an air fryer so he could make them at home. Let me show you the ingredients. They're not perfect, but they're fine. I mean, I make this maybe once a week. It's organic sweet potatoes. Wow, they even put the percentage on here. Sunflower oil, organic dextrin, salt. So it has a slight little coating, the fries, but they're uniformly cut, and they make really, really nice fries for the summer. I highly recommend these. Let's see, the pineapple goes in the smoothie. I also, of course, I'm obsessed with my pineapple frosty, which I mentioned in my last video as part of my summer favorites. So if you make it, let me know. Here's another ingredient that goes in the frosty, vanilla. Picked up some of that. Something I've been enjoying lately is tuna salad. So I got some more tuna. This is also great to have on hand for emergency supplies, which, living in California because of earthquake risk, wildfire risk, we're always thinking about emergency supplies. This is something new I have not tasted, but I pretty much love anything from Siete Foods. This is a treat. Chili lime grain-free puff snacks. I'm usually not a huge spicy flavor person, but recently I've had spicier things and enjoyed them. So I thought I'd give these a try. It's a big bag, so hopefully I'll like them. I believe these are made with cassava flour since they are grain-free. And another treat, these are coconut rolls. They're gluten-free. I'm pretty sure they're dairy-free. I'm almost 100%, but let's look. And these are like little cookies, and they're very tasty. I've had these before. It does have egg, but no dairy, so that's perfect if you're on a gluten-free, dairy-free diet. And these are quite tasty, so I did get 2 bags of them, and that'll last me for probably a month. I doubt my husband will eat those. He's not really into that kind of thing. And then I found these organic pineapple spears. I thought these would be good for snacks, not so much in the summer because we have so much fresh fruit, but maybe in the winter time when it's harder to find fresh fruits. And then again, these are great for anything like this is good for emergency supplies. And then the last item I wanted to show you is something that I purchase on a regular basis, which you can get at the pharmacy at Costco. And this is a high potency probiotic. It's a capsule. And actually, this formulation has scientific research. It helps with actual digestive conditions, as you can see there. And you can see gluten-free, non-dairy. It's a great price. If you were to buy this at a store, it would probably be another third of the price, I would estimate. Here's the makeup of the probiotic. And this is just a great product that at a great price. So that is my late summer, early fall, but pretty much summer picks at Costco. I hope you got some inspiration and you find some cool items for your kitchen at great prices. Let me know if I missed any of your favorites, and we'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching this Costco shopping haul. I'm going to go ahead and link to my Trader Joe's real food shopping haul so you can check that one out next. See you next time.